PrompTessor versus PrompTTruth.io. In this video, I will show you the differences between PrompTessor and PrompTTruth. We'll cover what they do, the pros and cons that they have, and the features that is unique to them. So the first thing you need to know is that PrompTessor right here is designed to help users structure and optimize prompt easily. So it is focused on guiding individuals to create clear, well-constructed, and well-structured prompts with templates and examples. It is beginner friendly with easy templates that will guide you, and you can use prompt. It's also good for learning prompts writing. However, it has a limited advanced tool and best for individual use only. On the other hand, PromptItShoe.io is a platform that lets you manage and integrate prompts directly into your apps and workflows. It is built for teams and developers who wants to organize prompts, run tests, and even connect them to APIs for real-world apps. The good thing about PromptItShoe.io is that it is powerful for developers and teams. It also supports integration and testing of prompts, and is great for scaling projects that you may have. However, it is a learning curve, and advanced features may require a paid plan for you to work. So if you're just starting out and wants to learn prompt writing, you can go with PrompTessor. But if you're a developer or team working on AI projects, PromptItShoe.io is the better choice. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments below.